I don't need you to tell me you're sorry when you're crawling back to me. How could I forget you couldn't save me when you said you had to leave? Just like a bird in a cage that will never break free. And when it all falls apart, this pain still feels the same. Rip out my heart and show me what it's like to feel so torn apart. Mistakes are made, but I won't forget easily. The flowers bloomed in the warmth of our agony. At night I cried myself to sleep. It still didn't change a thing. Just like a bird in a cage that will never break free. And when it all falls apart, this pain still feels the same. Rip out my heart and show me what it's like to be so torn apart. This misery that's been taking control of me. When everything seems to crumble from underneath. You are the reason that I feel so weak. You've taken everything. I know there's nothing left. Vanish and burn in the gates of hell. You let me rot in this prison for more so. There's no one else to forget what you've done. You've taken everything, and now there's nothing left. And now there's nothing left.